What up, guys? This is State of Gaming channel. We're gonna be playing White Noise Attempt 2, random place. You never know where it's gonna be. With IWND Nightmare. Say hello.
Hello.
Louder.
Hello.
There you go. Are you ready?
Yep.
Wish me luck, guys. Wish him luck too.
Here comes the streaming.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me! I just started. I'm Gene.
Oh, and I remember this stuff too. It's retarded. Dude, get the shut up. You can see your face.
You're ugly.
You too do. Same thing with you. Your
Thank
face
you.
is like on TikTok. Where are we?
Just follow the trail.
Guess so?
I'm gonna leave you.
Hey, look up there. Look at the sky.
It's an aurora. Oh. Go get that one.
What?
Hey, it's over here by the logs.
How do you pick it up?
Hey.
Oh, man. There to the street. Oh god, you just left me.
Seizure!
Get the water.
Uh-oh. Other way. Look the other way. Turn the other cheek.
What are you talking about? I'm not standing.
He's over there by the windmill.
I'm not standing with you.
Oh, another recorder.
Bad, I get it. This quiz is easier. To follow the water.
Oh, he's pissed.
Yep, it says. Right behind you. Behind us? Nope.
Other way.
What are you talking about?
There's that statue.
Oh, statue. This way is.
He's over there to your left. He's over here to your right. He's on to your right.
I don't see it at all. Okay, yep, I saw a flash of it. And that scared me. It's the woods. Okay, so the woods.
He's right behind me.
I'm not looking back.
Oh god, dude, he's like right on me. Oh, statue, turn right. Don't look at it. Don't even think about it.
I'm actually trying to run, but you're behind you. Pretty far behind you. Is he chasing after you? Okay, he's nowhere. What are you talking about chasing?
Dude, he was right behind me, like literally.
Oh, he wasn't behind me. We're going hiking. We're hiking at night. But the difference pretty fast.
think we're back at the beginning.
Yeah, we are. Entire circle.
Well, it's good we did. We need to backtrack it.
Dead. You're pretty far ahead of me, dude.
Don't turn around.
Behind you.
Don't turn around.
Yeah.
Oh God. We were over here too.
I think I hear him behind me.
He's over there in the sawmill.
Yeah, let's go this way.
We already went this way.
No, this way.
We went that way already.
No, not this corner. Oh, we're going back. No. You're gonna see him. He never fixes his character.
Oh my God! Don't look behind you.
I'm like not looking at all, and you keep getting scared.
Oh, it's gone. Thank God. Oh, shit's scary. Let's go in the woods and check it out.
Woods is horrible for horror.
The real question is, how did we get out here?
Did we hike?
Ah! Son of a bitch. We're at the cabin again. Dang it! This one's really trippy.
He left.
Excuse me, guys. Rocks, we can cross, thank God.
Oh shit, dude, I'm good.
God damn it. Run away.
Oh,
Jesus.
yeah, I can't see your light anymore.
Alright, hey guys, we're gonna cut it off from here. We'll see part 2.